Hi guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you the right way to upload your shorts on YouTube. In this other video I talked about the right way to upload your long form content on YouTube for visibility. I talked about some important features that must be put in place when uploading long form content. So please, in case you've not seen that video, kindly go and watch it. I will leave the link to that video in the description of this particular video, or you can check the end screen of this video. So go and watch that video because so many persons watch it and they got value. Truth be told, YouTube is not really all about filming, editing and uploading here. Now that you have spent so much time to make your content research, to record, to edit, to make your thumbnail, and now you have uploaded, the question is, are you uploading your videos, be it your long form videos, be it your short form videos, the right way? And this is why in this video I'll be taking out time step by step to show you how you can upload your short form content. This is one thing you need to know about YouTube Shorts. You can only upload it using your mobile phone. So if you're using your mobile phone, you can upload it in two ways, which is through YouTube app or through the desktop version of your YouTube studio. So guys, in this video I am urging you to come with me to my screen recorder, because some secret things that you do not know about shorts is what I'll be unveiling to you in this video. And you know how we do it here, it is always practical. So in this video I am showing you step by step the right way to upload your short and get visibility. Not just visibility, but you have people watching your shorts come over to watch your long form content. I am not bragging. Come with me guys, let me show you all of this in few minutes. This is one most important thing you must do when trying to upload your short. So first of all, you come over to your editing app. It can be CapCut, it can be InShot. So here I'll click on new project. It has brought me to my gallery. I would go ahead to choose this particular video. I'll click on add. So I've brought it here. So because it is short, please guys, when recording your video, when recording your short form video, ensure that it is in portrait and not landscape. Ensure you're recording your short form video in portrait, not landscape. So once you do, you scroll here, you will see aspect ratio. You see aspect ratio, you click on it. Once you click on the aspect ratio, so here you see 9 by 16. Here is it. You see 9 by 16. You will as well see 16 by 9. Guys, this is the option that you are to choose. You're choosing this 16 by 9. 16 by 9 is the option you're choosing. So here I'll click on 16 by 9 and click on this good sign. So next thing you're to do is for you to increase your volume. That is, if your volume is not okay, you can as well trim it. So I am talking to you now as someone who can literally edit. So I won't be teaching you all the editing process. I just wanted showing you the aspect ratio, which is very, very important. At this point I am done with my editing, so I've exported the video from CapCut. So we are heading over to YouTube. So here on YouTube, if you check below, you will see a plus sign. Here is the plus sign, so you click on it. Once you click on it, you ensure that it is in short. Ensure that it is in short. So once it is in short, if you check at your left hand side, you will see this particular feature, add. So what you do at this point is that you click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you directly to your gallery. This is where you're gonna choose your video. So I have clicked on next now. It has brought me here. I've paused the video. It has brought me here. So what I'll do at this point is for me to click on done. Now you need to check this place. It says drag to adjust video. So you may want to drag your video to adjust it in case it is not well positioned. You understand? So at this point, this is what you do. I'll click on next. Now that I've clicked on next, it is processing, so you have to wait for it to get done processing. Guys, you can also do your short video directly on YouTube by clicking on this record button in the middle. So after recording, you use all these features to make your video look beautiful. Use it to edit it and it will come out well. And at this point, I'll add a title by clicking here. You click that capital letter A and small letter A. So what will be our title? When it has to do with short, you need to use something captivating. You understand? So let me say skill problem. You need to use something captivating, skill problem. Then you can drag it. So it's for you can take it to the top, skill problem. So I can go ahead to click on edit. I want to copy it because the same thing I'll use. So now you can position it here. On TikTok, so at this point I'll click on next. I have clicked on next. It has brought me here. I'm still waiting for it to load. So here, one thing about short is this, like audience that watch shorts, these people do not have time at all. So everything about your short needs to be short. You understand? So here I will do hashtag YouTube monetization, hashtag skills. So everything about it needs to be short. So what I'm gonna do next is this. Can you see this unlisted? I'll leave my video in unlisted for like 1 hour so that YouTube will get to understand what my video is all about. So guys, this is one thing that is very important. Can you see this related video? This is what you have to do. See, this related video will help people who love this short. It will help people who love this short to come over and watch any video at all that you will link to it. So here I'll click on this related video. It has brought me to my long form content. So let me choose a particular content I want to link to that. Okay, I'll link this video. This is the one I'm going to link. This is the one I will link. I've clicked on it. Can you see it? The title automatically appears here. So I've linked the video. So I will leave all of this. Then I'll click on altered content. I will say no because this video is originally mine. Don't forget to leave your comment on so that people can comment telling you that you're doing good or you're not doing good. You understand? So whether they're telling you you're doing good or you're not doing good, it is okay. At least you learn from it. So here you may choose to add a thumbnail, but I do not have a thumbnail. I just want it to be like this. So this is the interface that YouTube has chosen for me. So guys, at this point we are almost good to go. Here I'll click on upload short. I'll click on upload short. So now it is uploading. Our short is uploading. You understand? So after 1 hour I will come here and put this short in public so that everybody can watch it. I keep saying this over and over again. When you upload your video on YouTube, just give YouTube some time for YouTube to understand what your video is all about. It can be 1 hour, it can be 2 hours, it can be 24 hours. But personally, I do it for 1 hour. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now. I strongly believe that as at the time you'll be watching this my video, my short will be up on this channel. This is actually my first short ever on this channel. I have shorts on other channels. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.